Welcome back to the channel, guys and gals, friends and pals. I stopped over to buy a toolbox this morning, found another fellow car guy, and got pretty excited. A couple of drag cars here. We're going to introduce you to him and let him tell us a little bit about the cars, and then get out of his hair.
My name is Warren Wilbur. I got a 71 Nova. We bracket race at Driver in Union Grove. It's got a 548 cubic inch motor and a power glide. And that's about it, you know. And the dragster,
How long you been doing it, Warren?
50 years.
Just a couple then.
Couple, yeah.
And Warren just told me he picked up a drag chassis over here. Want to show us what we got over here, then we'll kind of pan around the cars.
Yeah. Got that, and that one's out. We stopped racing it for a year.
And what are you running that one for a motor?
That's also like a 600 cubic inch engine. Power glide.
Nice. Take a look at this Nova, guys. Really nice looking car. How many times you had it out this summer?
Oh, probably half dozen.
Nice. Awesome. Always fun to find another car guy out there, and especially somebody who wants to show us something, you know.
Yeah.
Some guy. Well, what you think, guys and gals? You never know who we're gonna meet when we, go to pick something off of Facebook Marketplace. Out to the guy's shop, really cool. I hope you like the little interview with Warren there. Kind of neat, letting us show you guys the cars. You see him down at Byron, cheer for him. Thank him for letting us do some stuff on the channel.